Imagine a place where your body and soul can rejuvenate amidst the stunning beauty of nature. Vegan yoga retreats offer a holistic wellness experience that combines daily yoga sessions, meditation practices, and nutritious vegan meals. These retreats are often located in tropical paradises like Koh Samui and Tulum, fostering personal growth and community bonding. Veganism rejects animal products, promoting animal rights, environmental sustainability, and personal health. By abstaining from meat and dairy, you contribute to alleviating animal suffering and promoting holistic wellness. Combining veganism and yoga enhances physical health, increases energy levels, and improves flexibility. Mindfulness practices in yoga and veganism foster self-awareness, inner peace, and spiritual development. This lifestyle creates a supportive community where individuals share their journeys and knowledge. Attending a vegan yoga retreat can be a transformative experience that helps you reconnect with your inner self. These retreats are designed to encourage mindfulness and promote healthy eating, supporting personal growth and well-being. Various types of vegan yoga retreats cater to different needs, from luxurious vacations to modest, immersive experiences. Adventure seekers may enjoy retreats that combine yoga with activities like hiking or surfing. Personal development programs often include workshops and discussions centered around self-discovery. Family-friendly retreats offer activities for all ages, ensuring everyone benefits from yoga and plant-based eating. Retreats focused on specific yoga styles, like Ashtanga or Yin Yoga, create a sense of community among attendees. A vegan yoga retreat offers an ideal setting for relaxation and rejuvenation amid stunning landscapes. Daily yoga classes and guided meditation sessions help calm the mind and provide mental clarity. Nourishing vegan meals prepared with fresh, locally sourced ingredients restore the body and promote vitality. The supportive community fosters connections and encouragement, deepening spiritual practice. Expect a packed schedule with yoga classes, mindfulness practices, and healthy meals set against beautiful landscapes. Morning yoga sessions, guided meditations, and community bonding activities are typical daily activities. Accommodations range from luxury villas to eco-friendly lodges, all serving healthy vegan meals. Excursions and activities often include hikes, beach outings, and cultural immersions. Wellness workshops focused on meditation and holistic practices enhance the spiritual aspect of the retreat. Preparing for a retreat involves packing essentials like comfortable yoga gear and eco-friendly toiletries. Maintaining an open mindset and engaging with the community can significantly enhance the retreat experience. Overcoming challenges requires embracing personal growth and seeking support from instructors and fellow participants. Choosing the right retreat involves considering factors like destination, yoga styles, and accommodations. Top destinations like Koh Samui, Ubud, and Tulum offer unique settings for personal growth and community bonding. These locations provide serene environments that enhance meditation and physical practice. Participants can enjoy the region's delicious vegan cuisine while reconnecting with nature. Embark on a journey of deep self-exploration and rejuvenation at a vegan yoga retreat.